What number is this?
1.
That's 1. What's this?
1. 1.
2, 3.
3. 1.
If you can help me count. Let's count.
Money.
Where's the money? That's money? That looks like butter. Butter.
Money.
That's money?
Yeah. Money.
Okay. Does it fit?
Too big.
It's too big.
Too big.
Uh-oh. Does it fit in there? Does it fit?
That's it.
Oh, it fits. Do you want to buy that? You got money? What do you want to buy? Let me ring it up for you. Talk in here. Let me see what you can say in here. You do it. You do it.
No.
Here. Talk in the microphone. Say 1, 2, 3.
Two.
Talk in here. You do it. Avery's turn. Say 1, 2, 3.
Help you.
Yeah. Say 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, he's helping you. The ladybug. Do your numbers.
Me.
Hmm?